Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35 Sedan here, and I'm going to show you how to remove your front bumper. A few of the tools that you're going to need for this job. You're going to need a pair of pliers or cutters, a couple panel poppers, a Phillips head. I have a 12mm socket, a 10mm socket, a wobbly, a 10mm extension, and then I also have this cool guy right here where it is a 10mm and an extension. This is a little overkill. You can get the job done with this setup, but I like this more. And then last but not least, we have a side ratchet. It doesn't have to be a battery powered one, but I like my battery powered stuff. So first things first, we are going to pop the hood. And then when I am doing this, I will I'll pop all these off first, and then I'll go under the car and I'll hit all the ones on the front that hold the under shroud and the front of the fender liners on. And then once those are off, I'll do the ones right here where the fender and the bumper connect. And then the last ones I'll do, we'll get to it, but there's a bolt that goes under here. It's kind of hidden and it's kind of a pain. So I do that one last and make sure that the whole make sure the whole bumper is loose and ready to come off. So we'll do that. Alright, so now that we got these the little push pins out on the front bumper, we're going to lay down on the ground, and you're gonna see a bunch of 10 mils right here. Like there's one. So basically get all those 10 mils off that hold the front of the bumper on, and then we'll get the back of the fender liner pulled back and do those ones that connect the fender to the bumper. There's going to be one little pop clip right here that we have to take off. You got to pop that loose, and then it'll allow the fender liner to come back, and then you'll have full access to what connects the bumper and the fender. So once you do that, you'll see that this has a lot more play, and then your bolts that you need to get to are right in that little crack right there, and there's two 10 mils that go up. So there's that one right by my finger right here, and then the one farther in. Both of those 10 mils got to go. And we'll come to this other side. Okay, so same thing as the other side. We're going to have one that's kind of far in there. So we got that one. And we got that one. And then these have kind of like a little snap clip on them. If you just kind of tug on it a little, it normally comes out. There we go. And then lastly, so basically the whole bumper is loose right now. The bottom's loose, the top's loose, and then you're gonna feel some resistance in this area. So you're gonna want to get your other clip remover, and you're gonna want to go on the underside of the rubber just so it doesn't rip. So pop that up. There's two right here. Pop that up. And then there's going to be one on the fender right here. And I'll just fold this kind of out of my way. Like that. And you're going to see, I don't know if you can see it, but see at the end of the clip remover right there? There's a 10 mil. So you got to take that off. Don't let that hide from you, because you'll break your bumper mounts. So we did that side. And same thing for over here on the passenger side. Go under the rubber. Okay, so once you do that, just make sure everything is kind of loose. And then when I grab the front bumper, I'll always grab it from the center. Alright, so that is how you remove a front bumper on a G35 sedan.